Hey, if you were able to make it to the thyroid workshop last week, or if you weren't, I just wanted to review a couple of the reasons that your thyroid might not be working at 100%. Remember, we talked about the cell and we talked about inflammation of the membrane. This is being caused by all the toxins that we're encountering every single day. Your air, your water, the pesticides on your food, also just the toxins inside our body that we've just had for quite a while. And we know that, first off, there's two things. One, you feel like you have a thyroid problem and your blood work's normal. Or two, you really do have a thyroid problem, it's showing on your blood work, and maybe you're treating it with some medication or some herbals, different things like that. But remember, most of our medication that's given is in T4, and we know that T3 is the active form. So T3 is actually the hormone that's going to bind to the receptors to get the message in the cell. Super important. The conversion of T4 to T3 happens in your liver. So if you feel like your liver could be bogged down, if you've never done a liver detox, or you just feel like your liver might need some support, I always like to call it organ love. It's like maybe your liver just needs a little bit of love. This is a really good product. We're going to put a link down in the comments. This is L-Liver and it's systemic formulas. We use a lot of systemic formulas products because of the purity. The integrity of the company is just, it's a nutraceutical. It's just at the top of their game. It's really, truly amazing. So if you feel like this could be something that's going on, whether you're taking T4 or whether you're not taking T4, this is a really great thing to support your liver. We also talked about how when you're sick, your body creates a reverse T3 or an RT3. And so you know how when you're sick, you just like lay on the couch and you just can't move, like if you get the flu or something. That's your body's natural way of slowing you down so your body can do some healing. Well, what happens is when we're chronically stressed, like just all the time in overdrive, go, 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 emotional, chemical, and physical stresses, our body can create too many of the RT3s. So they're kind of like a fake out. They bind to the receptor, but they don't actually signal the cell to produce energy and do everything it needs to. So stress, you probably never meet a single person that doesn't feel stressed. But if this is something that is possibly the reason that your thyroid's not functioning well or you just don't feel well, supporting your adrenals, giving your adrenals a little bit of love is something that can really help increase your energy and really kind of get that reverse T3 to go down. So this is GA Adrenal. Again, we'll put a link in the bottom. Just some really amazing herbs and different things that are combined. Can't even read all of them. No, but it's a really powerful thing. And the last thing I'm going to show you, we talked about how if you do have a thyroid problem, it's never just your thyroid, is it? We know that there's a connection between your HPA axis, so your hypothalamus pituitary, your adrenals. There's this beautiful cycle that is going on, and this is a really good product. I really like. Maybe you're just feeling a little bit of anxiety, or you're not able to sleep very well, or you're just stressed and it just needs some love. This is Adrenal Synergy support for the HPA axis. DesBio is a really amazing company that does a lot of homeopathic products. So there's some really cool herbs in here. Again, check it out. And remember, these are just a couple simple things that you can use to support your body and your thyroid in that whole process. We know if some serious true healing, and deep detox needs to happen, we'd love to coach you through it, but maybe this will get you started. So we'll see you soon. And next month, we're going to be doing a workshop on toxins and properly detoxing those toxins so that your body can function optimally. So we will see you soon.